What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan, and I'm here with another Amazon unboxing. Then we're going to be short. Actually, I'm going to do this in 2 parts because I kind of know what it is, and I want you to see what it is. And y'all know I don't like to dress up, but I think what it might be. Let's open it up and see what it is. Let's open it up and see what we got. Look at this, y'all. With food. It's supposed to be like a 3-piece, if I'm not mistaken. Come with bed. Got some pants. Look at that. Look at that. Your boy gonna be dressed up now. You know what I mean? Y'all know I don't wear this stuff, but your boy gonna be dressed up. Let's see what else on here. It comes with a vest. Throw that thing on there. You know what I mean? Also, this right here. So I probably still gotta buy a shirt to go with it. Like a gray button-up shirt or something. So, or a white shirt. But this is what I have. I'm gonna do a try on with it and let you see what it look like. But this is just the first part. I will come back with the other part with it on so you see what it look like. So until next time, I'll hit you with the other one. Peace and hair grease. Holla. What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan, and this is the second part of what the outfit that I ordered from. Let's go. Your boy don't get dressed up. You know what I mean? But when he do, hold on. Look at this. Man, your boy can get clean sometimes. Ooh. Fitness is key. Let me know what y'all think about this, you know what I mean? I got rocking the gray, but I got some green on what I was gonna get, but I want to get one on first and don't get all of them because I want to make sure they all fit. So with this right here, I do feel like most of the stuff that fit pretty good. The chest part is kind of small because your boy be working out all the time. So if I have to, I might have to get a larger vest because work out all the time. But hold on, let's go to this. Let's go work out. It's a 3-piece. Look at that. Hold on. You see the shoe? See the shoe? Shoe. I might have to go flip on get some gray shoes. Hold on, we gotta do this thing. I still got the receipt on because I want to make sure how they do it. But like, hey, how you doing? Ben's checking you out from the other side of the corner over there. Want to get to know your name. Fuck that. I ain't want to get know my name. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. You know what I mean? Look at this. Woo. Got the gun showing at the same time. You know what I mean? But hey, I will put the link over there in it as well on what I got this from. But your boy is pretty plain. You know what I mean? Let's get it. Alright, enough playing. Whatever y'all do stuff at your own pace, own moderation. Make sure you stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, follow, and remember, like I always say, fitness is key, peace, and hair grease. Ooh-wee, holla.